Hello and welcome to another Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial. In this Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial, we're going to cover free stock charts. What we'll be looking for are resources for free stock charts, since this is requested by many traders each and every day. So without further ado, let's pop into our first free stock chart resource. Alright, as you can see, our first resource here is at stockcharts.com, and this is the actual address where the charts are, /free charts /index.html. Of course, that may change, so my suggestion is just go to the home page and it'll show you where the free charts are. Okay, we can pop in here and let's grab a quick ETF. Triple Q there. Okay. And here we have a nice chart. Okay, you can change the period of the chart, daily, weekly, and they've got a number of different types of charts too. And this is one particular type of chart. You can go down here to chart attributes, okay, and change all types of things in the chart: candlesticks, open, high, low, close bars. Let's try that out, and then update. Let's see what happens up here. Oh, there we go. Open, high, low, close bar. Open, high, low, close bars. Almost got a bit tongue-tied there. And we continue on from there. So you can come down and also adjust things such as the indicators here, the moving average, RSI, MACD. There's a whole choice, rich choice here of various types of indicators that you can use. So that's very useful. Okay, and along with the indicators, you can change not only their parameters but the position of the indicators themselves. So that's extremely handy. And then once you're done, and say you made a change here and you went from, okay, let's go to directional movement index from RSI, and you update. Okay, and there we go. There's a directional movement index. Now say, for instance, you wanted that to appear at the bottom rather than above the chart. Okay, below, let's update that. And there's the directional movement index in the MACD down at the bottom with the prices themselves right up at the top. Okay, so that's just a quick overview of stockcharts.com. Well, let's pop over to our next site, and our next site is freestockcharts.com. Okay, these names very well indicate exactly what these sites are about. And here we are in freestockcharts.com, and I already have the fun and fabulous QQQ ETF loaded up for us. And you can go through here, and if you want to, add a time frame such as this, we're looking at daily. I'm going to pop in. You want to look at 10-minute. You could do that as well. You want to add something else, another time frame. You can go over here and you just click for a new window, and then pull this down here. Pop into something very exciting. Love weekly charts, so we got weekly here. This is a very good thing. We've got tons of different types of things we can change here as far as adding an indicator. You want to add an indicator. It's really that simple. You want to do drawing. You can do drawing as well. If you want to draw trend lines of any type, you do that. Want to erase those? Take your eraser. Bam, gone. Okay. Very nice, very interactive, which is what we all need. And this is brought to you by the Warden Brothers, and the Warden Brothers have been around for quite some time, providing excellent technical analysis tools for traders. Okay, and next, let's move on. We're going to move on next to Big Charts, part of the Market Watch family here. Okay, and in Big Charts, we already have our QQQ chart loaded up and ready to go. And here's something that I particularly like about big charts is you can pop in. You want to take a look at the options chain for the QQQ here. You get an opportunity to do just that. Okay, there's the options chains That's October. Okay, so you've got the various expiration months, as well as the strike prices, the bid, ask, open interest, all of those types of things are right here. So that is most excellent. So that is it. That's our basic coverage of 3 of the main sources of free stock charts. Thank you for taking the time to join us for another Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial. Please feel free to come to our website at www.simpletradingideas.com for more great trading information. Thank you and have a phenomenal day.